Yup, it is Smooth Life time and we are back with another video, man. How my smooth lifers been? Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all time to like the video before we continue. You like it yet? Oh, you ain't like it yet? Okay, you liked it. Okay. So, if you watched my last video, you realize I put the side skirts on, which are, you can see, let's run up. They are on there looking nice and dandy. But today, our front splitter came in. You can see that is right there. We're gonna install it on video and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys too. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here's what Extreme Online sent us. So this is a real unboxing. The last video, I kinda had it pre-open. This one, over here. These come with chrome, like silver self tappers. The side skirts came with black. So this is the front splitter, you guys. I know it's running this a little cold, but I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is get the car on the ramps, and let's do that right. And we are up and running. All right, so now, really it's a simple install. We're just gonna unbolt all the bolts up under here. Let's see if I can get you guys to see them. We're gonna unbolt these first two of this little wind defender. These, we're gonna rotate it off. No, we're gonna take these two off, my bad. It's two up here. I'm gonna take all of these out. Boom, boom, boom. And all of those. I'm gonna put them in with these holes over here. And we're gonna add some self-tappers and call it a day. Now let's get right to it, my guys. Okay, so I realized y'all didn't have to, so I don't have to take this out because it doesn't go there. I realized on this side, when I got over here, that I didn't have to take all the screws out because I just need these two. One, boom, boom. And I took all the other screws out. So now when I have the wind little damper, what is it, windbreaker on the ground, I have this one just twisted to the back. So I'm going to clean the bottom of this real quick. Get a little, I don't want any rocks or stuff up under here when I put it on. There it goes. There we go.
Hey! It's dinosaur. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so far we got most of the bolts on. We just gotta put this air dampener back on and finish putting that one on. But honestly, it's looking pretty good with the side skirts too. You can't really see it's dark back there, but. Okay, so we got all the OEM bolts on, all of them. So this is what they look like with just the OEM bolts. So I'm gonna get up under there for you guys. Show y'all, okay, so you have 1, 2, and these are the ones that connect to the splitter. 3, 4, 5, and it's 12 in total that goes all the way around. So all we have left really is to really put in these self-tappers. You can see them. And then our splitter should be on there sturdy and nice, and I will back the car up off the ramp so you guys can see the final product. Let's get it. front splitter. I thank you guys for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hey, I'm happy. And Smooth Life Ty is out.
Serious.